What up, fellas? Hey. Jason bought me some new wheels. Oh! Oh! Time to turn the F80 into a track car. Got me some new wheelies. Some temporary wheels for this little guy right here. Got these for dirt cheap. Alright, car's in the garage. Now I'm gonna move the wheels over there, clean them up before I put them on. Show you guys. They're nothing special, but got some nice tires on there. Maybe I'll track this car one day, who knows. Most of you guys already know what these are. I feel like Apex are super big in the BMW community. I was never a huge fan, but I've heard good things about them. And these are actually perfect spec. And they came with some Toyo R888Rs, which are really good and really expensive. So I actually got these for less than the price of just the tires alone. So super hyped. I'm actually gonna throw them on as spares so I can take my wheels off to polish them. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Those wheels aren't even hub centric, so it doesn't even matter. This actually looks sick. Makes my car look like a track car. The rear gonna be sunk for sure. Jesus, I need like a 10 mil in the rear.
What's that? Yeah, you do.
I'm gonna say 10 mil rear and then 15 front. Here's the temporary setup while I polish the wheels. I'm actually hyped on this. This looks sick. Yeah. Ready for that track. It's literally perfect. Would look a lot better if I didn't have so much camber in the rear, but still perfect fitment. Fronts are nice too. We'll see how long these last. I'm always going through wheels, but I actually like them. Maybe I'll keep them as spares. Got them for that cheap. It's worth it. But yeah, Apex EC7, 18 by 10 plus 25 with 275, 35 tires all around. Toyo R888Rs. Yes sir. Shame day. We here. polishing our wheels. This thing's shiny. Dude, you should sand that down.
Yeah, I should.
For real. For real.
For real?
These wheels were so shiny when I first got them because they were brand new, freshly built. Now they're all scratched up and you can see all that. It's so bad. I'm too lazy to polish them though. I tried by hand, but I'm over it.
Try the machine.
But this is the difference from these. Ugh, they're all dirty. I don't know if you can tell. That's nasty. I only did 2 so far. Kind of lazy. But yeah, that's that.
That's pretty good.
And we got this thing looking all good over here. Damn. I can't wait to put my coilovers back on. This car drives so much better now with these wheels. Stretch sucks. My SSRs have 235s in the rear. These R888s are nice. Very nice. But yeah, day's over. That's about it. Went ahead, picked up those EC7s. Ending the day with the polish.